Hi people, I've got a job today. As you can see, for disc and pads for Audi Q5 2021. As you can see, front and back disc and pads. I've done the front ones. Now, why not the back ones? As this vehicle is too new and it's got electric handbrake, you can't really do much. You have to buy new expensive tools, diagnostics. But I'll figure out a way to do it, which is by if you take this plug off and if you join the wires basically, and you've got to give it power, basically one wire here and one wire there, and then you can basically give one wire negative and one wire positive, and the motor winds back. I'm going to show you that in the next video. Okay people, so I'm going to show you now. Look, as you can see, I've joined two wires in there. Make sure they're not shorting with each other, not touching at all. If they are, just move them a bit, so make sure they're not touching, because if you touch it, it's going to short out. As you can see, they're not touching now. And you give one wire earth, which I've done from a power probe here, as you can see, and then all you do is just give it positive on this one, and then you should hear the motor whining, as you can see. There you go. So it's pointed up all the way now. Just gotta straighten that boot up, and then once you've finished the job, you just do the opposite way. So when you want to put it back together, you give basically the earth to this yellow wire, and you give positive this way. So you're basically switching your powers, and that should push the piston back out all the way, resulting in changing rear brakes on any newer models such as Audi Q4, 5s, new shape, without having top of the range diagnostics. So that's my video for today. See you tomorrow. Once you have done the job, all you do is look, instead of putting the negative here, you can give earth here on the other one. You do that, make sure they're not touching at the back again, and just give that positive to the earth one now, and then just see you should kick in, and then you should push the piston all the way back in. There you go, it's pushed in. There we go. So that's all the brakes done. You take the wires off, you remove them, remove the wires, and you can just plug it back in, and there you go. So we have done the back brakes without any special tools, with the use of two wires and any power probe. Even a cheap one would do, to be honest with you. There you go, all the brakes are done. Don't forget to put the grease on.